This thing might sound like Chewbacca in a really bad mood, but boy does it work. Better than the flat discs. Much better, much faster. I mean, that's taken 5 minutes there, and whereas that took a good 15, and I've gone over it again with this since then, so it's, yeah, really impressed. I'll have to, there, where's the label? It's come off. This is the thing, this is the boy. I reckon I could do the roof in the morning. Tonight I'm just doing a tester. Obviously under the vinyl this will be. Discovered a bit of filler there. Something's happened there in the past. What is this then? 60. Don't know. I'll tap that code into Google later and get some more of these. I got this a long time ago. Impressive. What is that, guys? Getting out with this. It's like an old wall wound. Just there. Full of filler. So we sanded it to within an inch of its life. These are the pits that are left. They don't look as dark in real life as they do on the camera. That needs looking at. And then in here is okay. And then down the bottom, obviously, you have to cut out a new replacement area here. We'll spray it all with epoxy just to seal it. And then don't know what to do with this bit. It's under the roof, so I guess it doesn't matter. Under the vinyl. But that is definitely needing filler. I've got a spare rear quarter, but don't really have to put a new bit on just for that bit. So it's probably best to wait till morning, because this area gets the sun really hot in the sun trap in the morning before we spray it. I think it gives me more time to get rid of this bonding residue for the vinyl in the inside of the trim of the window frame. See, getting acid dipped would be much easier for these kind of bits, but it costs a lot of money and it's a big journey to get to the nearest place. So I think I'll just take the time and do it piece by piece.